I based this assessment on my so many years in the Department of Health at yung mga kampanya. No? For example, I was supposed to talk about RA 9211. RA 9211 is the Tobacco Regulatory Reforms Law. For the past so many years, the anti-tobacco advocates were advocating for a passage of a law, no? A really meaningful law. Suddenly, in 2003, just before the end of that Congress immediately came out with a tobacco regulatory law, to the surprise of many of the anti-tobacco advocates. No? And if you look at it in history, this was at a time when the Department of Health came out with Administrative Circular number 10, calling for a graphic health warnings as early as 1993. No? But in 1993, the tobacco industry filed a case, and then this case was only decided 10 years after 2003. So at the time that the 9211 came out, this was the time that the DOH was already preparing to fully implement the graphic health warnings. No? Suddenly, and what does the law say? Yung law talks about, nabanggit na nga kanina, no? That the tobacco industry is now an element of the Tobacco Regulatory Committee. But pinag-uusapan dito yung tobacco, the chair of this committee was the Department of Trade. It was not even Department of Health. No? Ang chair was DTI, ang DOH was only vice chair, and so makikita mo doon ang thinking ng Congress then was, it's all about money. It's all about business. No? So inuna ang DTI. No? Tapos yun na nga, this is a no-no insofar, by the way, one other factor why that law came out, no? It wanted to preempt the coming in of the Framework Convention on Tobacco Control. The Framework Convention on Tobacco Control became effective insofar as the Philippines was concerned sometime in 2005. But in 2003, it was almost a sure or done deal. No? At alam ng industry yun. Ganito sila kagaling. No? The industry knew it. They delayed the graphic health warnings of the Department of Health for 10 years. And then suddenly filed a case. Tapos yun na nga, they filed a law, they come out with a law which was, at the very least, very emasculated. No? When this law came out in 2003, my initial suggestion to the anti-tobacco advocates was to ask the President to veto the legislation. No? But it was the sentiment of the NGO community that this was better passed rather than not. No? In other words, we would rather have a weak tobacco regulatory reforms law rather than a strong one, pero at that time it was needed. So it was passed. No? Now we are feeling the effects of this Tobacco Regulatory Act. Some of the provisions of this act also say na aside from the warning, no other warnings or any other saying will be allowed in the pact. No? Meaning to say, graphic health warnings, hindi pwede. Tapos yan, dinelay rin yan yung implementation of the law itself by 2006. In other words, lahat ng backward tendencies that is learned all over the world occurred in this Tobacco Regulatory Reforms Law. If you notice, yung unang, the big 50%, yung anti-tobacco, nilagay dun sa ilalim, no, ng Tobacco Pact, when all evidence would show that dapat nasa taas. Yung tobacco, inuna sa side, when all evidence shows it should be in the front and most of the front. No? Tapos graphic health warnings is a tried and tested feature of tobacco regulation, and yet that was defeated. No? Considering that our own tobacco industry actually manufactures tobacco packs with graphic health warnings for export. No? So sila mismo nag-export nito, and they do this graphic health warning, but they refuse to have it dito sa Pilipinas. But you know, I'm heartened by the fact that all of this is just pinag-usapan na lang dito oras. If you remember, and I think I out-age most of you, no? If you remember siguro mga 30 years ago, mga ganon, inaalaw pa yung paninigarilyo sa aeroplano. We still have that evidence. If you go by plane, nakikita mo yung no smoking, no? Hanggang ngayon, nandun pa rin yun, no? When all planes actually, wala nang paninigarilyo. all over the world. Also by that time, I also remember, ang kina-quarantine nila ng mga tao were those who were not smoking. Ewan ko kung natatandaan niyo. Dati, ang unang regulation was all those who did not want to smoke, parang ganon, they simply would go to a safe place or there was a space allocated for the non-smokers. No? Ngayon, baliktad na. No? Ngayon, baliktad na. So marami po yun, ano? Maraming incident. And of course, I heard also kanina, at buti nga nabanggit, there is no such thing as corporate social responsibility of the industry. This is the only industry where the WHO actually came out and said, the tobacco industry can do no good for anyone. And you can always doubt yung kanyang sincerity insofar as social responsibility is concerned. Wala, nada, nix, zero. So everything that the tobacco industry does, they do it for their own benefit, no? For their own profit. And what is their target? Ang target, of course, is the youth. No? I always say that the tobacco industry does not really care anymore about the adults. Kung yung mga adults sa inyo na naninigarilyo, they're just waiting for you to die. No? And so far, you've been hooked, you've been addicted, so you will keep on buying their cigarettes, even at what price. When I was still a smoker, I was willing to pay the price. I was already part of the anti-tobacco advocate, but I was still smoking. But at that time, even if the price of the packs went up to 100, 200, 500, I would have paid for it. No? Pero dito ngayon, 50 pesos lang nga, ayaw pa nila. No? And their target really is yung kabataan natin. That's why it's very, very important to push our lawmakers to really increase prices of tobacco products by taxes and their actual price. No? Dahil ang target mo dyan is not so much the adults, but it must be in such an amount whereby the youth cannot buy using their allowances. No? Yun ang importante. Dapat it must be priced beyond the capability of the youth to pay. And then you have the problems, of course, in tingi-tingi buying. No? Kailangan itigil rin yun kung pwede, dahil nga mahirap rin yun. Now remember, the enemy here is not the smoker. No, it's not your relative who is smoking, and it's not even, well, the enemy here is really the industry.